Hey everyone, welcome to this week's studio vlog. You might have seen last week's vlog and I'm still in the same kind of setting, if that makes sense. I'm just filming before I go to work, but I just stopped filming regarding some things that I was working on for the past week. And this week I'm going to actually be working on finishing the inserts that I just mentioned in last week's vlog, which are these. So I've just started working on a 2020 dated A5 planner inserts, which is something that I've always wanted to do, but I just never know how I'm going to do it and what I'm going to do. And to be fair, I like to just kind of jot down ideas that I want to do for the week, and I've been doing that on Excel, and sometimes I don't have enough space and sometimes I just forget about them, so having something on paper was better. And since it's an insert rather than a spiral planner like I have had in my Etsy shop and I have at the moment, I just think it's easier to, if I make a mistake, you know, I can just cross it out and have more space to work on. So that's what I'm going to be working on this week. I'm going to try and get them all done. I don't know if I manage to do it full year, but if I do, they will be going up on Etsy as soon as they're finished and as soon as I have my prototype, which is my papers, done. It will be on the thicker paper, which is the 120 GSM, because I just think it's a nice smoother paper and you can use a felt pen and stuff like that. So in this week you'll probably see me doing these, getting some obviously inserts on Etsy as well, which would be good because I haven't had a new product on Etsy in a while. And yeah, we'll go from there. Okay guys, so I am coming at you from a very sweaty Monday afternoon after work. It is ridiculously hot. I thought I would just literally film this because this is what I'm currently working on. If you can hear a very big buzzy noise, that is the fan. It is going at full speed and yet I am still sweating. August heat wave in Malta is freaking amazing. Not. This is what my makeup looks like after that last clip. This is the aftermath of being in the sun for 8 hours, 9 hours, and you come home to continue working. It's amazing. So basically I'm just going to show you guys what I've been working on, what is going to go up in the shop probably within this vlog. These will go up in the shop. I just love them, so I'm going to swap you over to see them right now. Okay guys, so I thought I'd really show you these because I already had a similar layout to these. These are the Moment and Milestone baby cards, and these were in a set of 30. Now I did have a previous kind of design in my shop, but for some reason I was playing around with them and I love what I've done with them. I went for a basic white, which is clean, effortless, and just simply just they just look amazing basically. So the gold was with the stripes before. I took the stripes off and I just really love what it looks like. So this is the gold and I'm going to be introducing the rose gold. I'm so excited. So I've just taken some photos and they look amazing. I'm currently still printing out the rose gold one. This is the first batch that I wanted to try to test out, and took some photos for the Etsy shop and I'm so excited. But these way back when were a bestseller for me. I had these unisex baby cards, but I thought having a gold and rose gold would just look really nice for anyone to give as a gift and stuff like that. I'm just going to open them up and show you guys what they look like. Hey guys, so I'm actually put you to the side so I can like show you guys what they look like. So this is the gold version. So the gold version is basically gold, but it's still plain and white with the black writing. I just don't know about something about these. I just love them, so I was just playing around in Photoshop, and yeah, that's basically everything. So still the same kind of layout as I had my old baby Moment and Milestone cards, but obviously this is more on a simplistic and clean, I would say clean layout. So the rose gold, I'm just going to show you a couple of them because obviously these are still printing. Basically this is what the rose gold looks like and they look amazing. I'm just really happy with them. So those are going to be in my shop probably within this studio vlog. So studio vlog 4 is going to have new items in the shop, which I'm so excited about. I really want to work on so much things. So yeah, I'm going to switch you back over so I can speak. So I'm so excited guys to have these up in the shop. hopefully this week. So this is week 4. We're getting there. We're getting some motivation. Like every time I film a studio vlog, I just want to motivate myself to do much more. I was actually thinking of doing maybe keychains or charms, but I'm not ready for that just yet. So I'm going to work on my paper stuff, as that's something I really want to work on. And actually, as I showed you before, I showed you, oh, I'm seeing, what's that noise? It's my iPad making noises and notifications. So basically, I'm really looking forward to getting some inserts out this week. So we've got a couple of new releases going out this week, so I'm really excited to be able to film it as well. So yes, that is basically what's happening this week. I'm motivating myself because in the last 2 weeks I didn't feel I did much as I could, but I'm trying to set myself with more like to-do lists and stuff, and this week I really need to film a STEFYTALKS video that is not a studio vlog. Let's just not go there. Like the amount of times I've said I was going to sit down and film, but it's still blinking hot. My AC is actually being taken out tomorrow, so I'm not happy about that, but I'm giving it to my mum because her AC broke down, and I kind of told her, yeah, it's okay, you know, I'm not going to be here for much longer, which means I still have till next year before I actually leave this place, and I gave up my AC for my mum. It's amazing, isn't it, what you do for parents? So basically my mom's taking the AC. I'm going to be having to cool myself down with a fan, which is very, very loud, but it's very powerful, but still not powerful enough during the night time. So yeah, so I hopefully will be able to somehow film. I don't know how, because usually in summer I film with the AC on because it's so blinking hot and I can't have that fan on. So I don't know what's going to happen when I decide to film this week. But we have Thursday is a public holiday here in Malta, so hopefully I'll be able to get some stuff done. We will see. A lot of things I want to get done. So yeah, that's what I've been up to today. Today is Monday, so I've done a lot already this first day of the week. I need to edit the studio vlog of last week, which I haven't done yet, so you might already have seen it. I will leave a link down below for you guys to check it out if you haven't already. And yeah, let's just get cracking and get stuff done. My god, this top makes me look washed out because I am slightly tanned. I need to wash my hair as well, which is something I need to get done. So let's get to it. I'm very sorry if I look very shiny. It's the sweat. I'm not gonna lie about it. Living in a hot country, hot island, is not always the greatest. And did I show you my nails? I think I did show you my nails. Yeah, everyone was complimenting them today at work, so I'm really happy. There we go. I'm really happy with them. So a lot of compliments today. So thanks, Holly, my lovely nail tech, for doing them. I went a bit adventurous. So yeah, I'm gonna get cracking, and I'll speak to you guys very soon. Hey guys, welcome to Saturday. It is not as early as I thought. It's 9:30. I've actually been up since about 5:30. I was already out the house at around 6, came back at 6:30, fell asleep. Somehow I managed to fall back asleep, which is very rare for me, especially when I wake up and actually leave the house. So yeah, I really got up, and I noticed I had another order that I needed to get out, because I normally ship on a Saturday, so I have everything ready to go out. But since there's another order, I said just get it done, and then so I can ship everything out together rather than having to ship out anything on Tuesday. Get everything done today, and then if there's any orders between today and tomorrow and Monday, I will get them out on Tuesday. So I'm just going to do that very, very quickly, and then I'll come back and continue with the rest of my agenda today. I've got some inserts I need to do. I've actually created a new appointment planner sheet, which I'll show you guys in a little bit. And yeah, so let's get to it. Okay guys, so back from the post office. I had an eventful 10 minutes just now when I just parked. So I parked up and I was hearing a noise in the back seat, and there was a bumblebee like going crazy back there, and I literally freaked out because I didn't want it to die. I nearly closed it in, so I was like trying to help it come out, and I opened all the windows, the sunroof was up, the boot was open, and it just didn't want to go out, and it was getting so hot, I was getting so sweaty, and I finally managed to get it out. So I'm kind of glad I saved a bumblebee because I didn't really want to leave it in the car closed up, because obviously when you get out of the car you close it all up. So I was just panicking, I really wanted it out. I felt like I was struggling a lot, so I'm so glad that was out. So that's over and done with. Post office is done, post run is done. I'm actually going to take 5 minutes and relax a little bit. It's about 10:45 in the morning. I'm actually going to watch a studio vlog. I think I have Catnip on watch later, her recent studio vlog, and I actually have Ellis Jade, which I like watching. I have a couple of other vloggers that kind of do the studio vlogs, which I like watching, because you know, you have to support others. And I think I'm going to continue on the inserts today and get some stuff done. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay guys, I need to finish off and close off this studio vlog. I did say I was going to do that in the last clip, but it didn't. Today we are on Tuesday and I need to edit the studio vlog to have it up for tomorrow. So basically I just came back from work. I've actually got my bottle here to keep me hydrated because it's so hot and sweaty. But basically I literally spent all weekend working on the inserts that I will be showing you in the next studio vlog, so keep watching. And I've probably already showed you a couple of sneak peeks, but I have tweaked them and stuff like that. So I've got a lot of things ready, so I can't wait to show you in the next vlog. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you did, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a lovely day wherever in the world. I am talking very fast because this is running out of space and I need to cut off. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.